Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get 3 items for 99 cents on AliExpress. First, open the AliExpress website on your browser. Take a moment to scroll through the homepage and explore the different products. Next, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Here, click sign in again to access the login options. Then choose the Google icon to sign in using your Google account. After that, select the Google account you want to use and click continue to proceed. Now enter your Google account password and click on link account to connect it to AliExpress. Then check your email inbox for the 6-digit verification code sent by AliExpress. Enter this code on the website to complete the sign-in process securely. Once you are signed in, click on 3 for 99 cents to view all the eligible products. Now go through the list carefully and select 3 items you want to buy, adding them to your cart one by one. Make sure to check the size, color, or model of each product if applicable. After selecting all 3 items, click on Checkout. Here, review your order summary to confirm that all products, quantities, and price are correct. Check the shipping address and payment method to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click on Confirm Order to complete your purchase. You should then receive an order confirmation email and be able to track your items through your AliExpress account. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.